Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about how to fix your PS5 Slim fan loud noise issue. Watch until the end of the video to learn this and more. Often, the PS5 produces a lot of heat while working, and a fan is incorporated to cool it down. The fan typically makes some noise while running. However, if it's louder, you may be having the following problems. Number 1, clogged air vents, or number 2, poorly ventilated area. Here's how to fix these issues. Clean the air vents. To effectively clean the air vents, follow these steps. Turn off your PS5 and disassemble the outer cover and locate the fans. Use a soft brush to gently clean the vent and fans. Use a vacuum cleaner to further clean the air vents. Reassemble the outer cover and test your console. Install the console in a well-ventilated area. Do the following. Remove fluffy carpets away from the console, if any. Remove any external obstructions from the air vents and maintain some free space around the console. And there you have it. Follow these steps to fix your PS5 Slim fan noise issue. Thanks for watching. Till next time.